kasi na si Jason and Jeline.
What if I told you that I've fallen? And I like the way you say my name.
Anak agad!
My heart skips a beat when I hear you calling. And I like that it won't go away. But never mind, don't wanna give you any trouble. Never mind, never mind. I'm okay with being by your side. Believe it, believe it. What if I told you that I've fallen?
Oh, I'm ready. I've never been so sure, quite so still.
Jason, Jeline, you take Jason to be your husband? Yes, I do. Jeline, you take Jason to be your husband? Yes, Father.
I'm ready. I found a heart that was just like mine.
Salamat, Jason, sa lahat ng tulong mo sa amin, mga kapatid mo sa akin. Andito lang ako, sa walang magbabago. Yun lang, mahalin mo si Jeline, ngayong kabataan niya. Hanggang pagtanda, mahalin mo siya. Salamat sa tulong mo. God bless you. Sana'y biyayaan kayo na isang malusog na baby boy o baby girl. Thank you, Lord.
Never been so sure, quite so steady. I'm gonna live my life to keep the promises I made, even though I make mistakes. I know I'm ready.
To my lords, mommy. Wow! Sana magustuhan mo itong not to do small ko na gift. Let this be our reminder of our love. Silipin mo yung bolang kristal. Makikita mo ang aking mundo. I love you. Lords, Daddy. Ay, wow! Ang ganda!
I've never been so sure, quite so steady. I'm gonna live my life to keep the promises I made, even though I make mistakes. I know I'm ready. For better or for worse, I'm gonna carry. We're gonna have our hurts, but it's the treasure of my life. Just to spend it by your side, I know I'm ready. Oh, it's the treasure of my life. Just to spend it by your side, I know I'm ready.
November 28, 2024, Malate, Manila. Lods, Mami, from the moment you entered my life, everything changed. Timawa lang ako dati, searching for my purpose.
Windows, standing here with you, baby, we're so close. We've waited our lives for this. Yeah, we've prayed our whole lives for this. You're so much better than I ever could have dreamed for. I'll spend forever trying to find you more.
Thank you. As we say I do, we lovingly remember you. To my husband-to-be, Jason Lods, I love you, Jeline.
Be your very best friend for the rest of our lives. To always make you laugh, kiss you every single night. To have you, to hold you until
To my husband-to-be, hi, Lords. This is it. Thank you for everything. Ilan oras na lang, misis mo na ako. Hindi ako nagpa-promise, alam mo yan. Pero gagawin ko ang lahat ng makakaya ko bilang may bahay mo.
Mahal na mahal kita, anak. Ikaw ang princess namin eh. Pero hindi ka pa rin hihiwalay sa amin. Sa amin ka pa rin. Kahit na may asawa ka na.
every day with you is always my new favorite. Skies aren't always blue, but I still love us when it's raining. All of those highs.
Today I give you not just my words, but my heart and soul. my unwavering devotion. Together, we will create a life full of love, laughter, and endless adventure. Camping trips. I love you endlessly, Lods.
Be your very best friend for the rest of our lives. To always make you laugh, kiss you every single night. To have you, to hold you until death do us part. I vow to be your sunshine when it's raining and your rainbow when it's gray. And if
Andito ako sa hirap at ginhawa, aalagaan ka at intindihin ka palagi. Huwag mo lang palalabasin si Inger sa katabang lupa ko.
Mommy, and I'm so proud to be yours now and forever. I love you.
far away, and even if the memories fade, I vow to be your very best friend for the rest of my
Gabayan tayo palagi ni Lord at huwag tayo makakalimot. Palagi mo ingatan sa sarili mo, lalo na kapag nasa malayo ka. I love you, Lord. Mahal na mahal kita, Jason.
friend for the rest of our lives, to always make you laugh, kiss you every single night, to have you, to hold you until death do us part. I vow to be your sunshine